Okay, hi, thanks for sharing your plan. I've got it open here in plan view. I'm going to turn the snap grid off and the visual grid. Okay, so I assume this is the precise dimension that you want it. I'm going to, just as a control factor, I'm going to put a dimension from there to the end of the wall. So I've got the control. Okay, that's not the surface. That's the surface. This one's not the surface. Get it right on that tip in. 55 3/4. So what I would recommend, I'm just going to take this wall and use this and go at that angle. That's still the corners, it's still the corner. I'm going to delete this CAD line that you put there. And I'm going to take this wall. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to use point-to-point move to move exactly from the end of it to the corner. So now we got this separate and separate. And you can delete this. Okay. And okay, it's still holding. And that's still, I believe, what it was. Wait a minute, let me back up, let me undo. No, it changed. So I'm going to take this wall and just make it invisible. Because we want to preserve that dimension. Now, that, of course, it gives it that stupid cut. It just depends on what you want visually and what you want actually. Sometimes it's hard to get both in chief. So yeah, you got that cut there. Not very realistic. So what can we do? I'm going to take this and rotate it to a 90-degree angle to that, and then okay, I'm going to move that down until this hasn't moved, so I'm going to move it till it's right on the corner. Okay, I need to move that. I need to change my move increment. Let's see, that's up here in snap grid. Then change it to 0.25. And then I don't want to use a snap grid, but I want the increment a little, oops, that moved that. So I need to move this. Perfect. Now this dimension moved. I don't remember what it was supposed to be, but this wall didn't move, and I lined it up. And in order to keep the geometry of the end of this wall, I'm going to leave this here. Now this can be shortened. And of course, you can always turn that layer off if you don't want to print it, because I wouldn't. Go to walls, invisible. Of course, that turned off the other wall, but you get the idea. See, now it's right to the corner, and we preserved the dimension of that wall. So I hope this helps you. If it doesn't, yeah, I gave it a shot. Thank you. Have a good day in any case.